This is our new friend, but I don't know what his dog's name is because I couldn't really understand their accent. I think it's Bolo or something. Believe it's a female, unless it has a little ponytail, this dog. See? Gino's getting a no. He's trying to sniff. Nico. Gino. Nico.